today, step tomorrow, each day better than before. Morning light, a chance to try. Leave behind a yesterday's sigh. Small gestures, quiet deeds. Plant the love the world needs. Not perfection, not race or fame, but steady hearts, faithful aim. Be a little better tomorrow than you were today. Step by step, moment by moment, choose the light, walk the way. Optimism, faith renewed, goodness grows in all you do. Help the stranger, lift the weak. Speak with kindness, words in need. Every action, every smile adds up to goodness all the while. Not grand gestures, not fleeting fame. Small improvements fan the flame. Be a little better tomorrow than you were today. Each choice builds, each prayer counts. Faith in action lights the way. Steady heart, love applied. Optimism at your side. Step gently, step brighter, step forward, gently brighter forward. Not pressure, not despair, just steady growth and simple care. Be a little better tomorrow than you were today. Every heart touched, every life blessed, if faithful footsteps show the way.